Should I read it twice? As a bagong Coronadal Queen, how do you define leadership? And what qualities do you believe are essential for effective leadership?
Good evening, everyone. I believe that as a queen of Coronadal City, the qualities of being a leader that is definitely the most important is being purpose-driven. I believe that in our lives, we should always have a purpose in order for us to have the grit to aim for success and progress in our lives. And so, as your Lakambini number 6, I advocate for youth empowerment by providing quality education even in the far-flung areas of our country. Because I definitely believe that education is the most powerful tool so that we can further improve our city. And I believe that if we get to support especially the young individuals with education, we can become more inclusive and we can make Coronadal City as the center hub of the province of South Cotabato. And so, I would like to send a message to everyone that we should always strive to promote purpose in this lifetime, because I definitely believe that Coronadal City, we are like the Ginklo fabric that we have here. Although we have different threads, different colors, and different traditions and beliefs, we are weaved together to build one Coronadal, one dream. Thank you.
Again, as a bagong Coronadal Queen, how do you define leadership and what qualities do you believe are essential for effective leadership?
As a bagong Coronadal Queen, I believe we can define leadership by having a good attitude, especially to the women, because having a beauty is just I believe having a beauty is not just enough, but as a woman, I believe we should at least have a brain and have a kindness and respect to everyone. And as the Lakambini ng Coronadal, I will ensure that every step forward that I will cater is built on a solid moral ground, living the true essence of a Lakambini who leads with grace, authenticity, and purpose. Thank you.
Thank you also. Again, as a bagong Coronadal Queen, how do you define leadership? And what qualities do you believe are essential for effective leadership?
As a bagong Coronadal Queen, I do believe that we are filled and bounded with an outstanding officials and leaders. And with this, I believe that we are guided and we have a broad knowledge and understanding on how to lead of every actions and decisions that we take in life. And as an advocate of responsible leadership for youth empowerment, I am guided with these officials and leaders out here to influence and to advocate every individual, the Coronadaleños, especially the youth, to be more rise up, to speak up for themselves. And as a queen, I believe that I can build and empowered leaders and empowered queens that are here right now. With this, I believe that the qualities that we must possess is courage and resilience. And with that aspect, with that wisdom and qualities, I believe that we can build a community, a Coronadal that is filled and bounded with an amazing leaders. Good evening.
Again, as a bagong Coronadal Queen, how do you define leadership and what qualities do you believe are essential for effective leadership?
Thank you. As a Lakambini ng Coronadal candidate, and if I were winning the crown tonight, I always want to be a beacon of hope and light. I will help initiate and help implement programs or projects designed to promote general welfare, development, and empowerment of people of Coronadal. Because what we need today is a leader who has the power to empower others. And actually, I have to propose this one, the power of voice, the power of mind, and the power of action, because we always want that. The power of mind to always think what's the best for the community. The power of voice to always have to spread awareness, and the power of action to make a difference. Because the leader we need today is not just an asset, and not just liability, but as an asset of today. Because we need a leader who is just like this city, a small leader with the big dreams. Madam nga salamat, urupot kita sa bagong Coronadal.
As a bagong Coronadal Queen, how do you define leadership? And what qualities do you believe are essential for effective leadership?
I believe that as an empowered bagong Coronadalenya Queen is that I redefine leadership is that it begins with a heart for service and a mindset on a positive change. As a proud Coronadalenya and a woman standing in front of you, I grew up in a city, in Coronadal City, and I have faced challenges and I have conquered challenges. It is where I also found my purpose and shaped myself to be the woman that I am today. And so I am standing in front of you with my core purpose, and that is my advocacy. Through my advocacy, it is for sustainable tourism, because it is also evident in the green spaces and eco-friendly initiatives of our LGU and the 10-point agenda of our beloved City Mayor Ohena, that through Barangay Empowerment Program, we were able to empower every barangays to live in a sustainable environment. And with this, I envision Coronadal City as a model of sustainability, because I believe that as a woman, I also embody leadership through my purpose, my influence, and my core values. And standing in front of you is a proud Coronadalenya that I can truly say, today is a bagong Coronadal, and bagong Coronadal symbolizes a city that is progressive, vibrant, and empowering. Thank you.